Ready to explore the sky with confidence and control? Today, we're going over the best compact drone for video from our top picks. Smooth, exciting, and stress-free every time. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Compact Drone. The DJI Mini 4K Compact Drone stands out as a reliable and user-friendly choice for both beginners and casual aerial photographers who want professional-looking footage without the complexity of larger drones. Weighing under 249 grams, it eliminates the hassle of registration for recreational users, making it extremely convenient to start flying right out of the box. Its 4K Ultra HD camera, paired with a 3-axis gimbal, ensures impressively smooth and stable video, even when capturing dynamic scenes like sunsets or moving subjects. The drone's wind resistance up to level 5, combined with powerful brushless motors, allows it to maintain stability in less than ideal weather conditions, which is a big advantage for outdoor shooting. Battery performance is also a strong point, with options that extend flight time up to 93 minutes, reducing interruptions during creative sessions. Features like GPS return to home and one-tap takeoff and landing make operations simple and stress-free, especially for new users. Overall, it delivers a balanced mix of portability, performance, and ease of use. Number 2. DJI Neo Compact Drone. The DJI Neo Compact Drone is designed for those who value portability and simplicity without sacrificing modern features. Weighing only 135 grams, it is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel, casual outings, or spontaneous content creation. One of its standout features is the palm takeoff and landing, which removes the need for a controller and makes operation feel intuitive even for complete beginners. The built-in subject tracking and quick shots modes allow users to capture cinematic footage effortlessly, especially useful for vlogging or social media content. Despite its compact size, the drone delivers stable 4K video with effective stabilization and level 4 wind resistance, ensuring smooth results in most outdoor conditions. The addition of full propeller guards adds an extra layer of safety, making it ideal for indoor or close-range flying. With multiple control options, including voice commands and app control, the DJI Neo offers flexibility and fun in a compact package, making it a great entry-level drone.
Number 3. Top Blaster Box 4K Compact Drone. The Top Blaster Box 4K Compact Drone offers a feature-rich experience tailored for beginners who want a straightforward yet capable drone for everyday use. Its 4K UHD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens captures clear and vibrant images, making it suitable for casual photography and short video clips. One of its most appealing features is the built-in display on the controller, which allows real-time FPV viewing without needing a smartphone, adding convenience and reducing setup time. The inclusion of GPS functionality significantly improves flight stability and safety, especially with its auto-return home feature that brings the drone back when the battery is low or signal is lost. The Follow Me mode and Point of Interest flight add a creative touch, allowing users to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. This drone is particularly suitable for those new to flying, as it combines essential smart features with an easy learning curve. Overall, it provides good value for its price range and functionality. Number 4. REDRIE Foldable Compact Drone. The REDRIE Foldable Compact Drone is built with beginners in mind, offering a solid balance of performance, portability, and ease of use. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it highly travel-friendly, while the included carrying case adds extra convenience for outdoor adventures. The 4K camera, supported by a 2-axis gimbal and wide-angle lens, captures detailed and steady visuals, suitable for landscapes and casual filming. While not as advanced as a 3-axis system, it still manages to reduce shake effectively for smooth footage. The drone's upgraded brushless motors enhance flight stability and durability, even in moderate wind conditions. With a transmission range of up to 300 meters and extended signal reach, users can explore wider areas confidently. GPS-based features such as auto return, follow mode, and route planning make flying safer and more enjoyable, especially for those still learning. Overall, it's a dependable option for hobbyists looking for a versatile and beginner-friendly drone. Number 5. MSMV Wireless Compact Drone. The MSMV Wireless Compact Drone is a versatile option that caters to both beginners and casual drone enthusiasts looking for a fun and feature-packed flying experience. Its foldable and lightweight design, combined with a travel case, makes it easy to carry on trips or outdoor activities. The drone is equipped with a dual camera system, offering 4K and even 6K resolution capabilities, providing sharp visuals for photography and videography. Its beginner-friendly controls, including one-touch takeoff and landing and headless mode, make it accessible for users of all skill levels. The inclusion of brushless motors ensures smoother and quieter flights, improving overall performance and durability. Additionally, the compatibility with FPV goggles adds an immersive flying experience, which is great for those who enjoy a more engaging perspective. With multiple batteries included, users can enjoy extended flight sessions without frequent interruptions. Overall, it's a well-rounded drone that delivers entertainment, ease of use, and solid performance. That wraps up the top 5 best compact drone for beginners. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.